Welcome to another video from the series First Steps on the RebelMouse CMS. In our last video we installed the RebelMouse dev tools and learned how to access to our site. Now we will talk briefly about all the different applications that the RebelMouse CMS has and what you will be able to do with each one. First, let's go to the post dashboard. This is the place where you will browse through all the content that the site has. The content that you or an editorial team may have been creating on the site. And here you can see of the posts with their respective leading media images, title, status, publication date, their page views and other attributes. This is a very powerful dashboard and we'll cover it in detail in another video. The entry editor is actually the tool that we use for creating or editing content on the website. For example, we have this static page called About Us, so we can click on the edit icon on the right in order to edit it, and it will open the entry editor with all the information of that particular post. Or if we need to create a new post, we can use this add button in the bottom right corner, followed by add post. This is the entry editor. This is where the editorial team or yourself will create posts whenever you need content on the website. It has multiple fields, a lot of information, and again, we'll cover it in a later video. But what you should get right now is that this is the main editorial tool that you will have to use to create and edit the site content. It provides a bunch of options for you to customize the look of the post, add images, videos, and more. We are back to the main dashboard. Here we can find the user's dashboard. At the user's dashboard you will not only see the CMS users, but also the website users. And as an admin of the site, can create and manage the accounts of different team members. For example, let's create an account for John Doe. We need to give this new users their respective attributes, name, last name, email address and a password. A distinctive role can also be set, giving this specific user different capabilities depending on the assigned role. The next dashboard that we will see is the Sections dashboard. Sections are the major taxonomy terms that we have at RebelMouse. On this demo site, we only have a bunch of sections created. But basically, the different type of content will be associated to one or many of these sections, and they will give contextual structure to our posts. We'll cover this in much detail later. Now let's go to the Layout and Design tool, also called LND tool or just LND for short. Here you can create and style different pages for your site. You can add elements, JavaScript, and do anything you want. You can build the site of your dreams. This is one of the most powerful tools in the RebelMouse CMS and where you will be spending most of your development time. In the hamburger button, you will find all the built-in pages your site has and the custom ones you create. Inside every page you will see and edit the different building elements that compose every block on every layout. LND is very flexible and grants you full control of the layout, allowing you to build any complex and sophisticated layouts your creativity can conceive. Given the size of the Layout and Design tool, we will talk in depth about it in a series of videos designed to show you everything this tool is capable of, just like we will do with all the other tools shown on this video. This next application is Custom Feeds. Custom feeds basically are a way for you to create your own feeds using any logic that you might have. You can have the output in any format that you want, and you can use different filtering options to export your content or syndicate your content on different websites. It's used, for example, for publishing content on Google News, Flipboard, Smart News, etc. The last application that we will see in this video is Client Backends. Client Backends is where you will be creating your custom endpoints. You will be using JavaScript in order to create a custom endpoint that can do mostly anything that you want. Usually it's used for third-party integrations, and sometimes to interact with RebelMouse APIs as well. But you will be able to create your own endpoints in the backend without any limitations. And those are the major components of the RebelMouse CMS. That's all you need to know about the RebelMouse CMS for now. See you in the next video and thanks for watching.